Good afternoon. My name is Ifeoluwa Olofin. I attended the Adobe masterclass and it has been so impactful. I work with a solar company. I handle the marketing, so I needed this skill to be able to market online, at least with a very good flyer and picture videos. I'll be able to get more customers, and so far so good. It's been a very great experience. When I came with so many expectations, and I can tell you that all my expectations have been met, and it's been a very fantastic experience, and I'm going out better than I came in. And I can recommend this institute to anyone that is interested, that they should please not procrastinate. Let them come now that it is still very fresh and it is hot in the market, so that you can expand your business. Thank you so much.